Alright, in this video we are going to be replacing the e-brake system. So every aspect of the emergency brake we're going to completely replace. So we'll show you what that looks like. Okay, as you can see, our e-brake job starts with our whole subframe dismantled, so this might not, you can check out the other videos, there's lots of cool stuff going on here. To get the old one off, there's a couple of 4mm, you kind of go in, push it in, twist a little bit, take the springs off, and then you need to tap the e-brake out on the other side. And yeah, so that's about it. And so we're going to go ahead and take this old e-brake off. And here's the other side. Here's a little bit of before action on the e-brake. Can you say gently used? Alrighty, Sean. We did it. What was the trickiest part?
Probably getting it out, like the e-brake out.
The cable?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. We just basically tapped it through very gently, right? And then we went with a bigger and bigger hammer until it came out, right? Cool, awesome work. So next we need to clean everything up. Look at that. That's no good for our track car, right? Okay, if you were having problems getting your brake cable out through the subframe, what's happened in my case is right underneath here there's a lot of rust buildup, as well as on the other side. So what I'm doing is I'm just going in with a pipe cleaner to clean all that out. So if you didn't have a problem, you should probably do some proactive maintenance anyway. And again, this is where the wheel would be on this side. The e-brake cable feeds through here on its way up to the handbrake. And of course you can notice my nice shiny aluminum solid subframe bushings. So I got this cleaned up now and we're going to get it ready for paint. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and assemble the e-brake. We got the kit from ECS Tuning that had all the parts pre-assembled, laid out here on the bench. And so we're going to get to it, and then we'll have brand new, the cables are already in, up through to the car, to the handbrake. So the new cables are in, and now it's just time to put the pads on and the spring assembly. Okay, so we laid out the new drum to make sure that we have an idea of how everything's going to fit together. Everything was pretty rusted, so we don't know exactly, but you'll notice here we've got the small spring on the top with the adjuster, the two round holes here, the two slot holes in the back, and the longer spring will sit flush against the brake pulley. And then we have the brake pull mechanism there. And so this is how we believe it came apart, because everything was so rusted, we just don't know. So we're going to give this one a shot. Okay guys, we're putting the brakes back on, but it's the same process for removing. There's a 10mm nut here. There's one right here. And then on this side, we have the new bracket that came with the kit, and that's held on by two 16s. And you can see the cable is popping up. And you want to make sure that this heat shield is all the way back, and the shoes are going to fit on here. So yeah, let's put the, well, let's see what happens next. Okay, so we're going to put the adjuster on, just a little hook, fold it over, and done. So if you're having a beast of a time getting it off, that's how easy it is. There's a little simple lever if it's not rusted out like ours were. Alright, next step, put the pads on and the little spring clip, so push it in 90 degrees, or if you're removing, the opposite. So the little 4mm, you push it in and turn it 90 degrees. Those clips are now in. Alright guys, getting this back spring here on is a real pain. Unless, I guess there's a special tool for it, or you have a Hulk friend that's stronger than me, the little weakling. And then we put the other smaller spring on front. And the e-brake is on. We just have to do final adjustment when we put the rotor over top, and we can adjust it at the handbrake. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out all the other videos in our build series.